Hey there, small business owners. Starting a new business comes with its fair share of challenges, especially when it comes to managing finances. But, did you know the right business credit card can make your life a whole lot easier? Let's dive into the best options out there for 2025. First up, the Blue Business Cash Trademark Card from American Express. It's perfect if you want straightforward cash back. You get 2% on all eligible purchases, up to $50,000 annually, and then it's 1%. Plus, no annual fee. If you travel a lot, check out the Inc. Business Preferred Registered Trademark Credit Card. You earn valuable Chase Ultimate Rewards points, especially on travel, shipping, advertising, and internet services. There's a $95 annual fee, but those points redeem for cash back, travel, gift cards, and more. Need to advertise or buy software? The American Express Registered Trademark Business Gold Card could be your go-to. It earns boosted points in your two highest spending categories each billing cycle, like electronic goods and media advertising. Yes, the annual fee is $375, but statement credits at places like FedEx and office supply stores can help offset that. For a great welcome offer, the Inc. Business Unlimited Registered Trademark Credit Card has you covered. Earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no cap, and a $750 bonus if you spend $6,000 in the first 3 months. Got a venture-backed startup? Look at the Brex card. Rewards on rideshare, travel, restaurants, and software. Plus, unique redemption options like billboard ads and even mental health care. No annual fee, but it does have specific criteria, like needing equity investment and $1 million in annual revenue. Finally, for the best intro APR, check out the US Bank Business Platinum Card. 0% intro APR for a long period, no annual fee, but no rewards. This one's great for financing large purchases. Remember, choose a card that fits your business needs. Consider spending habits, financing needs, annual fees, and the perks that come with each card. And always read the fine print to maximize your benefits. Alright, that's a wrap on the best business credit cards for startups in 2025. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business.